In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PowerPoint Copilot in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to elevate your presentations to the next level, Microsoft's PowerPoint Copilot is an invaluable tool that seamlessly integrates with your PowerPoint application, bringing the power of AI to your slide creation process. But how do you get this nifty tool? Let's dive into the details. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft 365 plans page on Microsoft's official website. Here you'll find a variety of Microsoft 365 business plans. Each plan is designed to meet different needs, whether for small businesses or large enterprises. The key is to select a plan that includes Copilot. This is crucial because not all plans come with Copilot access. So take your time to review the plans and ensure that Copilot is listed among the features. Remember, a visual guide or snapshot of the Microsoft 365 plans page may show you exactly where to look, but it's the fine print and the plan details that count. Now, it's important to note that Microsoft 365 Copilot may not be available in all markets and languages. This means that even if you find a plan that suits your needs and includes Copilot, availability might vary depending on your location and the language options you require. Microsoft has specified that to purchase Copilot, customers must have a qualifying plan for either enterprise or business. This is a crucial step to check off your list before proceeding with your purchase to avoid any disappointment. Once you have chosen a plan that includes Copilot and have gone through the purchase process, the next step is to add Copilot as an add-in to your PowerPoint application. This step is relatively straightforward. After purchasing your plan, you will have access to a wide range of add-ins and tools that can be integrated into your Microsoft 365 suite. The process of adding Copilot to your PowerPoint involves navigating through your Microsoft 365 dashboard, finding the add-ins or tools section, and selecting Copilot from the list of available tools. This process integrates Copilot into your PowerPoint, allowing you to start benefiting from its features immediately. What makes PowerPoint Copilot so special, you might ask? Well, it's designed to assist you in creating more dynamic, engaging, and professional presentations by leveraging the power of AI. Whether you need help with slide design, content generation, or even data visualization, Copilot is like having an expert sitting right next to you, guiding you through the process. A couple of things to keep in mind as you go through this process. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as all these steps require online access to Microsoft services and dashboards. Also, depending on your subscription or the plan you choose, there may be a brief waiting period before all features, including Copilot, are fully activated on your account. Patience is key here, but it's well worth the wait. In conclusion, getting PowerPoint Copilot integrated into your PowerPoint application is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your presentation creation process. Start by choosing the right Microsoft 365 plan that includes Copilot, taking note of availability restrictions in certain markets and languages. Then proceed to add Copilot to your PowerPoint through the Microsoft 365 dashboard. Remember, the exact instructions and layout of these web pages may change over time, so it's always a good idea to look for the most current guidance directly from Microsoft support resources. And there you have it. You're now well on your way to creating more compelling presentations with the help of PowerPoint Copilot. Embrace this tool, explore its features, and watch as your presentations transform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tech tips and tricks. Happy presenting.